Do you know who Leonardo da Vinci is? Of course you know all this. I don't know a single person in the world who has not heard of the Mona Lisa. I've always liked his paintings, although I could never say exactly why. Maybe it's the unusual unearthly light. Or I was fascinated by faces that looked like the faces of angels. But Leonardo da Vinci is not only an artist, he is also a brilliant inventor and engineer. Throughout his life, Leonardo had a curiosity about the natural world and boundless imagination that fueled his inventions and mechanical designs. One of Leonardo's most noticeable contributions to the field of technology was his fascination with flight. Inspired by the flight of birds, he devoted himself to the study of aerodynamics and the design of aircraft. Among his many sketches are intricate drawings of flying contrapoints, including ornithopters, machines that mimic the flapping of bird wings, gliders, and parachute-like devices. I'm a big fan of Leonardo's machines, so it was a great opportunity for me to attend an exhibition of his machines in Acre, Israel. In the ancient castle, an entire room was dedicated to Da Vinci's mechanisms. I had the opportunity to see the aircraft created according to the designs of the famous master. It was an exciting adventure. I've seen Leonardo's sketches many times, but I couldn't always imagine what all these mechanisms look like in real life. Another area of interest for Leonardo was hydraulic engineering. He devised innovative systems for controlling the flow of water, including locks, canals, and irrigation systems. His designs for water wheels and water-driven miles demonstrated his understanding of the mechanical principles behind hydropower. Leonardo was also fascinated by the idea of automation and created numerous designs for mechanical devices and automata. His sketches include plans for self-propelled carts, clockwork mechanisms, and programmable robots capable of performing various tasks. In addition to his mechanical inventions, Leonardo was a pioneer in the field of anatomy. He had a deep understanding of human physiology, which he applied to his designs of prosthetic limbs and anatomically accurate models. Although many of Leonardo's inventions were never built during his lifetime due to technological limitations, his visionary ideas laid the groundwork for future advancements in engineering and technology. Today, his notebooks and sketches continue to inspire engineers, inventors, and scientists. As I had the incredible opportunity to visit an exhibition showcasing some of Leonardo's remarkable inventions. As I stepped into the gallery, I was immediately greeted by a captivating array of models, crafted replicas based on Da Vinci's intricate sketches. Among them were the visionary flying machines, each one a testament to his groundbreaking ideas centuries ahead of their time. One of the most highlights of the exhibition was Da Vinci's designs for machines of warfare. As I examined each model, I couldn't help but marvel at the ingenuity and foresight behind them. From intricate catapults to imposing engines, Da Vinci's concepts demonstrated not only his technical brilliance but also his profound understanding of military strategy. As I wandered through the exhibition, I found myself immersed in Da Vinci's world, where imagination knew no boundaries. Each invention seemed to whisper secrets of a bygone era, inviting me to ponder the mind of a genius who dared to dream beyond the constraints of his time. Leaving the exhibition, I carried with me a newfound appreciation for Da Vinci's legacy. His pursuit of innovation and his unwavering curiosity continue to inspire generations, reminding us of the boundless possibilities that await those willing to explore the unknown.